Okay, so we just did these two lines, which has supposed to be an angle of 155 according to this exercise, and that's how we did it. We used the geometry that says that if you have two parallel lines, the angle inside on this side and the angle inside on this side are the same. Okay, so knowing that, we can simply subtract that from 180, and that will give us a small angle. That's what we use over here. And now we're done with that one. Okay, so let's continue now with this line here. Let me erase first these. Okay, and then this red line here. There you go. And what we're going to do is we're going to continue from here. We're going to go down to this angle here, and that one is 80. So again, what is the angle of this line? So the angle of that line is going to be from a horizontal. So we're looking for this angle. All right. So what is that angle over here? Well, that angle is going to be the angle equal to this one here. Because you can see this and this one are just mirrors of each other. So that means that this angle here is the same angle as this one. So it's also 150. It's not shown, but you can see that this is all the same over here, 140, 90, 90. So this is a symmetric drawing. So if this is 150 down here, that's also 150. So that means that if you wanted to find this yellow angle over here, this one is a complete 180. And that means that 180 minus 150 will give us this angle here, which is 30. Okay. Now, we can go and find the angle from this one going all the way like that. Or we can simply use 30, except that this angle is going down this way. Okay, so if you want to use that angle, you have to use 30, but because you want it to go in this direction, you have to use a negative angle, negative 30. Okay, so from here, we're going to continue doing this line here. So we're going to do line, select the endpoint. We're going to go down here. So we have to press ortho off. We're going to go an angle. We're not going to click anything. We're simply going to put in an @ symbol or shift 2, and then simply type in the length 90, press tab, and the angle is going to be negative 30, so it goes the other direction. Press enter. There you go. Okay, so it went down because I put in a negative 30. If I put in a positive 30, so line from this angle, from this endpoint, if I want to go down, I don't click anything. I simply press shift 2 and then type in 90 tab. And if I put in 30, it's not going to go down, it's going to go up because it's a positive angle. So, right? So because we want it to go down, we can use the negative equivalent because all positive angles will go in a counterclockwise direction, and we wanted a clockwise direction. So we have to use a line going down here, shift 2, 90 is the length, press tab, and I put in a negative angle, negative 30, so it goes on the other direction. So this is what we want. We don't want to put 30, we want to put negative 30. So I'm going to erase this line, and that's how to do this line here using a different direction, a counterclockwise direction. Clockwise direction, negative 30 instead of 30. Okay, so do what I just showed you. I'm going to stop the video.